About to pick up Bay's outfit for today.
It's a paintbrush. This isn't even a makeup
Paintbrush. What you using? Water paints over here? Huh?
Hell, it still worked, don't it? Okay.
I guess.
Let's see what's listening on some great.
Can we leave yet?
Yes. Yes, we do.
Finally. We're almost out the door. Almost. Can she make it? No, I'm leaving. Why do I have this cup?
What the hell was that sound?
I don't know, little Michael. Open the door. Open the door. Freaking cup in here. Now we can go.
How long we go? No, we can't.
Why? Today we'll be touring Sloss Furnaces in downtown Birmingham. Shout out to the city. Public service announcement, you brush side to side, not up and down. That's how you get pretty teeth.
History. Got rolled up at them furnaces. Started out making 32 cents an hour. And always had a pocket.
Begin self-guided tour that way.
As we begin the self-guided tour, clearly we are at Sloss Furnaces. Many people died here. They did not mention that in the video.
They didn't.
At all.
Maybe it's just folklore. Cash shit. So, Sloss Furnaces, apparently over 87 people died, unfortunately, in smelting of iron processes. I'm just playing, I made all that up. What's over here? It says danger, must be cool.
That's probably where people died.
Yeah, people died down in there. I want to come here at night.
Night, you can jump that and go down in there. Well, Sloss is Birmingham, basically. The steel industry that it brought, brought life to the city. That's why it was called the Magic City. If Sloss wasn't here, Birmingham would not be here.
In the late 1800s and early 1900s, immigrants came from Europe and just anywhere immigrants come from. So, in the late 1800s, early 1900s, European immigrants came and worked in these furnaces for 32 cents an hour. What's kind of spooky and gives it the haunted reference is that there was a such thing called the graveyard shift. It was basically the third shift, and it was said to be a living hell. They'd work in these furnaces at 100 fucking tra- furnace number 1.
As you can see, there's a skeleton right there.
Yeah.
Just turn everything off.
Okay, working the crane's a white man's job. Get back to the casting shed.
I'm splashing down there.
The restricted area, but
I feel like they use it for like the haunted stuff. Let's walk through it.
you wanna walk through it?
Yeah.
You sure?
Let's go.
Go ahead. I'm after you.
Probably got electrocuted in here.
Definitely. Ooh, look at this knife. Should I take it?
No. Oh, I thought you were taking a picture.
Vlogging, baby. Damn. We'll take pictures later.
Okay. This light. Oh yeah, baby. You got it. You can definitely, absolutely pull this big old thing. Adventurous. Ooh, look at that bad boy. Oh, you can't.
You could. Somebody else could.
Once again,
Oh, it's creepy down here.
we're in a restricted area. Oh, fuck no. Excuse my language. You can't see nothing down here for real. Oh yeah. People definitely died in here.
Just because I can feel it presence. How are we gonna do a ghost on our video now? I can feel the presence. Let's cross the bridge.
Listen, he's gonna
Let me
cross.
see your phone.
I don't know why he wants to do this so bad.
Let's go.
Hmm.
In the woods.
I'm not. It's just scary. This is not my idea. I didn't want to cross the bridge, but
Oh, you're over here. Okay.
and I think it's time for us to get out now. It's getting colder and colder. Oh,
I'm not stepping on that.
Nope.
Okay, yeah, we can go now.
Okay, guys, I'm quickly going back across because this is too damn much for me right now.
Temperatures high. Temperatures drop about 10 or 15 degrees under here. It's kind of spooky now.
We did. Now we can just go straight. Really just looking at his crotch. Excuse me, do you have a problem?
We get all the looks, obviously. I mean, look at us.
Fine, so fine.
I think this will conclude our journey at Sloss Furnaces.
Yes, it's done now.
It's hot.